If you are looking at this fantastic Lego Fortnite llama for yourself or for your kids, I cannot recommend this enough. We got this for my daughter. It was a little hard for her to build. She is not big on building Legos. She's 10. However, my son would have happily built this at 7 or 8. So depending on your kids' competency in Lego building, they may or may not have some trouble with this llama, but it is one cool llama. So let me get into all the details here. To start off with, its bottom legs actually splay out or go inwards like it does in Fortnite where it's hopping, so you can choose how you want those legs to be. Its mouth opens and its head obviously moves as well, so you can control those. The ears move back and forth, and even the tail moves. You have full control over all 6 parts of the tail to splay it out as you want. Then when you open it up, of course you have loot. Now to get to the loot, either side will pop open by popping this open and opening the door. And you also have the top opening, which is much better for filling it back up. And all you'll do with that is open up one of those sides, pop it open, and out comes the loot. As for the loot, you'll get some you'll recognize immediately, like the grappling gun, some slap juice, and some slurp juice or a chug jar. You also get some dynamite, and then you also get a backpack, a rough ruby, and a good luck charm. Now the good luck charm has this tiny mini figurine on it. That's definitely a custom piece. There are a couple other custom pieces that I note. Specifically, the eyes are nice little custom pieces, and there's a handle on the top here that I think I've seen before, but it's not a very common piece. And then, of course, it has some stickers that are unique to this, and this coloring is very unique for all these pieces. Overall, this is one really fun build. It's fun to fill up and play with, and it looks really good on a shelf. I think you or your kids will love the Fortnite llama.